Mama na woso kakra ne enhwe.
Kumawood TV ya die mu.
Ye das. Mama Kumawood so na we na. What Kumawood TV nka?
Ipa chan mate. Na station ho ye kama pa. Eh.
E de be na wo hu.
African movies mismani je ho pa. Fi se ukodu fie ko na ne dwuma bi adi na woni a. Utimi hwa na je se o de afema da ko na aja ho ato wadwendwe so kakra ma.
Okay.
Kumawood TV die o so obi a hwe ho.
Na advert bi awoso what ne nka na.
Mate ne nka. O so obi a de ne ho kodwo Kumawood TV. Utimi usubi na ato ho asano kakra.
Ye das pa.
Mi show mi TV na ho na me de to. Ghanaian films no mu yi ni nti. Kumawood TV ya ye die nie.
Na apa na wo awoso advert na abaso na no so de na wo kafa ho.
Ekwayi pa. Kumawood di asama nso kura me baketo ano. Wo so ya no wo de ato ho. Ti ye de edura nwumre no a na ye hwe.
Ye das pa.
Kumawood kra me hwe. Mesi muti me ye fom sa. Me ne me menya ho ne ye hwe. Fom se me hwa na emom de ya na ye me ya de se ye mo ma ne nwa. Ne ye hwa because me hwe na no pa. Awia me tifia me hwe. Anwumre me hwe. Eti no me de fom sa ne de. Na fom sa de me hwe papa. En kan ne ye fe de say. Jollof recipe. I feel like yeah, Kumawood ya de mo. Enu a na ye de yi for de ne ye hwe o. Enu a be ho ya kwa anwumra, ho ne ye doto. Eti fom so de mo nya de mo yi no mo ma ne mo fa maye saa, no na mo fa maye. Da de say am nto mo ma no nkofom. Na de mo yi ne mu no latest mo fa maye na no na ye hwe ye be say ye be hwe yi for de no first say yi for de no ye be say be hwe no. Eti ye sremo mo hwe ma na mo na say de ma ye ntimi hwe ya na ya dwendwa be ye first salad for mo ji esika nyina. Ana say ama ye ntimi hwe mo ka tira na do say obviously kama ye first salad obviously kama na say God ya hwe ti hwe fom so na aja ati ya dwendwo so kakra eti mo ma no e follow ye.
Ye das pa.
Ya ba amansane ya ne aye die mo. Kumawood TV amansane ya ne aye die mo. Kumawood TV papa.
Kumawood TV na ade ma ne di unse Ghana movie mo yiri saa de ababere wa menye ko duru fie na me bo nsuo na menye didi wi a me da konwa no mu saa na yesa me hwa na ma dwendwe nya na so ate mo ya ade na mum de yini de ana ma ne ho ye fa se ha de mso me saa pense markers for ya na mo ye exercise ni ade no o dem awoso yes awoso no o de na me kwa mitimi wusu sada na ma woso kwa me na akura free
TV a sebi edu ayumbiri a ehwe honom en sam bi ombe ye bia omde sam papa ana akire Ghana fo ne kumasoma yina sele be ya Ghana puntu ana se Ghana ye die be koso ye ana dewura mo bonu so no ekoyie maye TV de a yeta tie pa ntimse Ghana fo ana central market fo yina mbana wo no yina anganga mama je sister mo yie na bro mo yina obia dwumbra obia mfa ne te amfa antu Kumawood TV. Ya ni.
Oha ni
e mpuna mfodi kumasoma yina dia Ghana mai yina dia ankake mpuna mfodi na
Kumawood ko obiara dusa Kumawood ko obiara dusa Kumawood ko obiara dusa obiara dusa Kumawood TV o say yeah Kumawood TV yeah Kumawood Enkanina ya soniama Enkanina ya soniama Kumawood siya Kumawood siya Kumawood siya Kumawood siya Kumawood TV
Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedi Kumawood TV aba Amansane Yena Yedimu Sini papa bena upe biyasha Amansane Winyano baby Kumawood TV Amansane Yena Yedimu Kumawood TV Amansane Yena Yedimu Kumawood TV Amansane Yena Yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane Yena Yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane Yena Yedimu.
Okay, yɛde nyankopɔn ase sɛ ɛnɛ nso wɔde akyɛ yɛn ama mogya de yɛn mu afrisane na katrama ɛda abɔdwe mu ɛnɛ ɛyɛ entertainment show Kumawood entertainment show ɛna yɛde brɛ live ɛwɔ Kumawood TV sɛnea yɛde biara no yɛyɛ no ɛnneɛma aba this week nyinaa nsɛm aba wɔ social media ɛne newspapers ɛne ada medium no ɛna ɛkeka ne nyinaa bom na afei yɛde abrɛ live ɛwɔ Kumawood TV ɛnɛ yɛnnuaba Stella Dugan yɛ obi a adwumtoni a wato nnwom ama akenya nkurɔfoɔ bebree ɛnɛ ne ho asɛm ɛwɔ ha yɛbɛka ho asɛm ɛna yɛnnuabɛma nene wɔyɛ actor Kumawood actor ɔno nso ne ho nsɛmsɛm abɛpie mu wɔ ha yɛbɛka ɛwɔ ha ɛna afei nso brother Same nso ɛyɛ obi a ne ho nsɛm aba ɛnɛ yɛbɛdi ɛho nkɔmmɔ ye papa me ya na me mpɛsɛ me ka sɛbi asɔfoɔ ho nsɛm but then ye papa Duncan Williams sɛbi ne ba no nso ho nsɛmsɛm ɛne videos bi a abeba abɔntene no ɛnɛ yɛbɛte ho asɛm ɛwɔ ha Wendy Shea ababa yi akɔ radio station bi ɛne radio presenter akɔyɛ interview ɛno na Wendy sorry P free studio abranti a friend Romeo Kidi sorry Wendy sorry ensensem no dɔɔso ɔno ankasa no ho nsɛm so ni audio bi so apie ɛno nso yɛbɛma mo ɛho de ɛkɔ ɛne ne ɛba no akyi no Shatta Wale so ba keka nsɛm bebrebe ama sɛ Shatta Kranya Romeo ordinate kɔ ɛbɛka form ɛno ho nsɛmsɛm ɛwɔ ha yɛbɛdi ɛho nkɔmɔ bɛgyafo ba bɛtrase na yɛdi ho nkɔmɔ yɛwɔ yɛma mpanyine ɛde measures bi aba ɛyi board bi a from classification board ɛno no yɛde bɛhwehwɛ nneɛma mu afa as content a ɛsɛ kɔ ɛwɔ TV so time a ɛsɛ kɔ ne ho nsɛmsɛm bebrebe ebinom nte aseɛ ebinom nso te aseɛ but ɛnɛ yɛbɛdi ho nkɔmɔ akɔ ahoma so ne mpanyinfo bi atwetwe nkɔmɔ na yɛahwɛ kwan a ɛbɛfa so a sɛ saa deɛ ɛbɛboa yɛn anaasɛ ɛmmoa yɛn question na yɛbusa no saa classification board no ɛbɛboa industry no anaasɛ ɛmmoa industry no yɛbɛtwetwe ɛho nkɔmɔ ɛwɔ Kumawood entertainment show ɛna medin ɛde Samuel Kwabena Daako aka Sam Dagus me ana mede dwumadie no ho kyia me mitwa mo sima aba me ba na afi ensɛm no ya brobro so ye wo abadwafoɔ no wɔ ha Rabido wɔ ha Amanziba ɛwɔ ha ɛna Fockless Frank ɔno nso ɛwɔ ha mitwa mo aba sisi a me ba ye beto aso
Kumawood TV Amansane Yena Yedimu
yititi yi yototo ma tambone bo wasi adeba obose bole oso bale koko osema mitiane kosokoto papo bidiane PK sa papa Kumasi 1 enra kra ne hu chene jo enso ye dai keep on watching Kumawood TV yeni aye diem yenso ye die nie eye pawom krim eye cake crow
Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu.
Hi, my name is Safina Harum. Keep watching Kumawood TV. Kumawood TV, yeah, there.
Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu. Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu. Sini papa be na upe bi ashay amansane winyano baby ya. Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu. Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu.
Yo, Osekrom is like that, and it has to be that. Uchimu TV, edito television biya no wan hwe Kumawood TV dia. Ojo wa ha Chimu to ope good entertainment. And I said ya be mo ani age a masa. Mimi tiwe be hwe ba bia Kumawood TV. It's like that, and it has to be that. Pressure free chiwa. But we didn't pressure.
Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu. Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu. Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu. Sini papa be na upe bi ashay amansane winyano baby ya. Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu. Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu. Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu.
Yami wonina enye Yesu no dia mami. Yami wonina yana do Morocco. Setechema da bodium. Emoja vidimu afusane. Metwa ye ijo. Ama no da Kumawood yakasa edium. Se wanhwe Kumawood anwa ha ho. Upeti papa ye Kenya miasem ye entertainment football adie biele koso wiase bia. So we Kumawood we need to be able to flow. Kumawood yakasa yedem na misha so we Kumawood.
Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu.
Meshe meni jepa papa Kumawood TV ogwana na nsema ye chimato
Na your program ya Debra friend na awofo shake your way.
Shake your way. Enso me papa me ko metunu soso.
Enti oba wosu ana.
Na wosu Shake your way.
Kumawood TV.
Papa yeah. Papa.
Okay, yasanso ababi we entertainment show. Kumawood entertainment show. Na me me din ede Samuel Kavanda Kuna me di ho chiame ye call break ye Matia sama edent mani age ya frame to see as be yere awo afa na ba enti mawo afa me ba menya baby girl. I'm so happy abeja for mama kwaba Rabido na body ye ana nasu mawo baba wow me ba no so ban Rapido. Okay, Mama call Frank, so Frank. Akaba.
It also.
And no one effect.
Oh, but I said, Mamma Fibu so. Yana and Obegian and Qua.
Sanity. Sanity. Yanko pardon, my wife, dear, or no, quite imagine who I will.
Now, one,
the same Yanko Pan,
but you know, that's the American. No one saw my Baba. There's only one and
can be
said the other young for Mamma. So,
the same and can be
hopeless
to say,
29 August. So, you know, Baba, something, couple of the Falklands, I say, go for women to them, some miserable.
Falklands, I swear to say,
and I don't, Yamago, you go so better to know. About the 29th August, daytime, and 4 years was a vessel. Was a Nana, Quine said, the pirate Missia. And I said, hook or crook, say, one family grand come one. The bed said, station piano, the baby papa, no rabbit the station.
The parents and that stations are. Yes, we have representing the station. But organizers no come away one.
Oh, you're also focus team in an 8 with a board. And I said, I'm sad to you. But know how to put things in order. And then the public will be now covered.
And the date near the bay
29th of August.
29th of
August.
You're 3 months.
We are 2 months on. We are 2 months on.
All right, Mamma Quaman, the Bassamans by Macaba.
Some
Baby, I will call.
Everybody, I don't remember what you want. Say, and I pay, I would not pay. I swear,
was fear me name,
was fear when you're.
Was fear me name, but
swear with you. It's
a wife who no, when it comes to our war.
That's true. No, it's your wife who carried that baby for that 9 months. You never carried it. When you're running around chopping, eating, or all the things that you want. Your wife wasn't there with you, please. Like you are sitting in here, your wife is not here with you.
Because and I walk kind of cry no, and I'm saying about very programs. My new cry for now course.
And sometimes I can say, "Mama, we did a film, anything on." And bring congratulations to your wife.
Okay.
Then again, my man congratulations say it be so also.
Yeah.
I say, "Mama, what's in one?"
But when you say, "Ninseng," and then send you here, oh, Bema. Google soon, you're not broom.
So, I mean, send you, brand a woman, and
the man or bat me easy.
That is true, but a baby so hard man, or far better man there. One from you, and so our pepper. But you see, all in all, the most important thing is a radius share when you're our quine pass. Okay, what's answer? I will wonder, so I'm not power, amount. I believe so. You have to give thanks and praises to the Almighty. Yeah. Probably it's all man with fresh champagne, you know.
We are ever celebrating.
No, but we had to make that merry now.
Right now.
In heaven.
It just came.
No, in heaven there is no beer.
I understand, but to say you're telling a buyer
and to me,
I promise you.
Those are the back now.
What's our promise? I promise you.
Okay, Mama, I'm quite nothing. And then a time, you want send me about say Bobo something. You're fast. You cover video beer, Stella Duca, and now Abasi. Opie kwa wantene, oba na nsuo, afane dem nyema nyina amasese, sebi opeche obi. Nti ye kwa ba na ye bedi ho enkomo. Ye kowe video no mra nennyom ene baabi a Kofi TV ko interview no enkoye message
na ma what Kumawood nka
matene nka
die be na uhu ho.
Okay, matene nka na menhwe na afie na se me be se mehwe pa
sa na ma me the program bi aba awoso shake body waste no on sisi yare na se abeba ni nyina no program ne betu sa yare ni nyina na uhu ni so be ma ba bi aba na
me yakwa me amaye bi
sa me na woso kakra ne enhwe
Kumawood TV ya die mu
ye da ma me Kumawood so na we na what Kumawood TV nka
ipa chan mate na station ho ye kama pa
de be na uhu ho
African movies mismani je ho pa fi se ugodu fie kwa na dwuma bi adi na woni ya utimi hwa na che se odi afrema da kwa na aja ho ato wadwenwe so kakra ma
okay
Kumawood TV die o so obi a hwe ho
na advert bi awoso watene nka na
matene nka o so obi a de ne ho kodwo Kumawood TV utimi usubi na ato ho asano kakra
ye da so pa
Me saw me TV na ho na me de to. Ghanaian films no mu yi nti. Kumawood TV. Yania ye die nie.
Na apa. Na wohu awoso advert na abaso na no so de na wo kafa ho.
Ekwa yie pa. Kumawood di asema nso kra me baketo ano. Wo so ya no wo de ato ho. Ti ye de edura anwumre no a na ye hwe.
Ye da se pa.
Kumawood. Kra me hwe. Me hwe. Besi muti me ye fom sa. Me ne me menya ho ne ye hwe. Fom se me hwa na emom de ya na ye me ya de se ye mo ma no nwa. Mo ma no nwa ne ye hwe because me hwe na nopa. Awia me tifia me hwe. Anwumre me hwe. Eti no me de fom sa ne de. Ghana fom sa de me hwe papa. En kan ne ye fe de say. Jollof Brazil. I feel like yeah, Kumawood ya de mo. Enu a na ye de yifo de ne ye hwe. Enu a be ho ya kwa anwumra, ho ne ye do to. Eti fom so de mo nya de mo yiyi no mo ma ne mo fa maye saa, no na mo fa maye. Da de say am nto mo ma no nko fom. Na de mo yi ne mu no latest mo fa maye na no na ye hwe ye be say ye be hwe yifo de no first say yifo de no ye be say be hwe no. Eti ye sra mo hwe ma na mo na say de ma ye nti hwe ya na ya dwendwa be ye first salad for mo ji esika nyina. Ana say ama ye nti hwe so mo ka chira na do say obviously kama ye first salad obviously kama na say God ye hwe ti hwe fom so na aja ati ya dwendwo so kakra eti mo ma no e follow ye
ye da se pa
ya ba amansanie ya ne aye die mo Kumawood TV amansanie ya ne aye die mo Kumawood TV papa
Kumawood TV na ade mani di unse Ghana moving mo yiri saa de ababere wa menye ko duru fie na me bo nsuo na menye didi wi a me da konwa no mu saa na yesa me hwa na madwendwe nya na so ate mo ya ade na mom de yini de ana mani nye ho ye fa se ha de mso me saa pense markets for ya no mo ye exercise ni ade no o dem awoso yes awoso no o de na me kwa mitimi wusu sada na ma woso kwa me na akura free
TV a sebi edu anwumre a kumas for nyina ehwe honom en asam bi ombaye bia omde nsam papa ana etire Ghana for ne kumas ma nyina se da ba ya Ghana puntu ana se Ghana yedie be koso ye ana dewura mo bonu so no ekoyie maye TV de a yeta tie pa ntimse Ghana for ana central market for yina mbana wo no yina anganga mama je sister mo yie na bro mo yina obia dwumbra obia mfa ne te amfa antu Kumawood TV ya de ni oha ne mpuna mfo de kumas mayina de Ghana mayina de anka mpuna mfo yina
Kumawood ko obiara dusa Kumawood ko obiara dusa Kumawood ko obiara dusa obiara dusa Kumawood TV o say yeah Kumawood TV yeah Kumawood Enkanina ya soniama Enkanina ya soniama Kumawood siya Kumawood siya Kumawood siya Kumawood siya Kumawood TV
Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedi Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedi Sini papa be na upe bi ahwe amansane winya no baby ya Kumawood TV amansane yena yedi Kumawood Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu. Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu. Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu. Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu. Sini papa be na upe bi ashe amansane winyano baby ya. Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu. Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu.
Eye yititi yi yototo ma tambone bo wasi adwe ba obose bole oso bale bale koko ose mamitiane kosokoto papon Midiani PK sa papa Kumasi 1 enra kra ne hu chene jo enso ye didai. Keep on watching Kumawood TV. Yeni aye diem yenso ye die nie eye pawom krim eye cake crow.
Kumawood TV amansane yena ye diemu. Kumawood TV aba amansane yena ye diemu.
Hi, my name is Safina Harum. Keep watching Kumawood TV. Kumawood TV, yeah, there.
TV aba amansane yena ye diemu. Kumawood TV aba amansane yena ye diemu. Sini papa be na upe bi ashe amansane winyano baby ya. Kumawood TV amansane yena ye diemu. Kumawood TV amansane yena ye diemu.
Yo, Osekrom is like that, and it has to be that. Uchimu TV, edito television biya no wan hwe Kumawood TV dia. Ojo wa ha on. Chimu to ope good entertainment. And I said ya be mo ani age a masa. Mimi tuwe behwe ba biya Kumawood TV. It's like that, and it has to be that. Pressure free chiwa.
Okay, yes, I'm on my father build the about Kumawood entertainment show. So me pachowa number be that screen so I test line. And some I can overhead in an say, oh, I didn't trade everything that pass. Now I can kind at the amount 0543 596070 0543 596070 and yet line over a test line every time the number of a but to that now also afraid actually. My many can call Amanze Basso as a gospel musician, Sebi. Ufi antuata opia kwaba na wabeto se onyama nyina nsuo edekọ eyehwe saladugan ya wabonu mache obi enu se de bi won nsem but asakodu the point be or beg said among for one
good same question we say obi enu say be won nsem that is a perception.
Yeah.
And it is make believe and you say be a obi. And how do you judge obi or obi or won't be? Is it by the way the person looks, and answer by the way the person actually sings, or by the way the person does his or her things?
Yeah. Except for a layman, they sometimes sorry, who say be dressing or bed dress according to music video. Who share the caliber near the ultimate say, hey, people with it. If it is a man's back. Say we were shout because we were dressing and in the beer say was a camera and show I want to mean yes you can hear all these things and I'm going
you see a beer do na you rather almost scam beer I was saying the panoid and watching and I wouldn't fault you on that. You see when we say we are creating brands and you are creating brand now, one you don't create the brand in your stomach. You created a brand outwardly, and not any people who back so see this is what he or she stands for. Once the first name here complain says we try video. Omo jinjin run chain, omo session tarebi atare ba ko to mo se nipa to travel verse be mi reverse mi no me sign nine. We be share e bi adofo ne ampofo je mo de atare ba ko to travel this be dey wo ho no. Then we all thought say we had to change those things. And by changing it, it is a brand. You have to outwardly know. That is how people will see you and accept you. Who need a suit type, but today you are wearing suit.
Yeah.
To again in quotes to to gain that brand position, you feel that you have to get in where you are sitting. And you wanna you come where you to and your mouth for to know. Sammy, don't know the musicians in this country. There are a lot of them who are broke. We don't have money. What I say, but you see, again, Nipa on Kanasem, Umuna say, we are near so Dakar, Bimu, and so Quack to don't believe this and don't make that assertion say he or she is okay. Every Nipa to be on team wrong. Said you only point to and I say we cruise and our palm now, all the power, or plan, maybe no better than that person. But let fast forward it. Stella Abasin, no here, no. I'm not saying she's poor. Oh, I'm not telling and I say, Ebia, I'm going to me back. A bar, and bra, and the cop. Say, and a natural disaster. Yeah. And I take a place. I want to show according them, and might be a no see idea. But you see, we're always striving on sensationalism. But Nipa, yeah, na ubi biya or them. Say, on say to the extent say, I do say amount for my boy. Nibi biya one of them, Anna. Some you see, Nibi biya bet to me one of them. You remember minister to make us say those days. Yeah, regeneration. Over to 100,000 Ghana cedis. A shilling pass. Sashia and tower tashin. I said, we even the Sikakra and Asensio farmer. Who bet my hat the next day? I'm an Indian side. And some America say we a natural disaster. And it happen, you see, anything natural, you can't prevent it. And they say, yes, that I've seen, make us say, yeah, she's a puppet. She's not. But position situation, woman is here now. Well, she's calling for what we call help. There's a one for if you far and when they say we're not move forward, come to their aid. And say we are to now. That's all first one for yeah. Probably maybe where she will sleep a day or two a week. Hotel I bet him back home and say be around. I say we don't want to be come and go really off the head. I know she's not married. I don't know, but yeah, I think so. That was Stella Dugan. Yeah. And Stella Dugan, right? And now she changed to Stella Abbasi. Yes. If she's still married, now if she's still married, I said, I didn't very happy to yeah, but I think they are not them now. No, them now. Only feel the side we issue. And I say, if you know higher now. For that one there, we don't know, but on none of them, issue good. So my question now is that, Same, why is it say a year broadcaster and as a journalist no call a interview? No, one can say okay fine. Me, so also young web and me no, my okay, my memoir with this quota. Normally copy TV, say or yes, I interviews now. Yeah, not on Uncle for so we copy TV here. Or yes, I interview now. Or to choose amount for and more outside Eboa. But my name this one. And I'm saying, I'm called France. I'm saying, make us say, oh, she's not on your beer. Make us say, beer. Stella is not someone. I make us say, beer. Or you broke to the down. But I'm willing to say, definitely. Obi our president. Plus, when you told now, definitely people will come to his or her aid. What I said, you know, me, I believe that this is not anything new. We will be raising clams over this. I didn't know. A friend is saying, well, according to this situation, it's not as if they be or none of us call that situation. This is natural disaster. Yeah. And so let's also pray for her. Then any quota will all have any quota be in here. But Obi Busa say, Obi our too much. What content will be? And now also content no is what do I say? Now, like, because situation we say, crowd, which magazine here? My main call me the second house, and I say, I mean, moving call, we now patch somebody. The production, a bit more by say, and you are not the produce. And
it's possible. And I'm saying, so I'm moving we can't, Salabugana, they can't establish.
Yeah.
See the oldies.
Yeah.
Now among them to no Abraham Elder Kumo. Among them to no Jessica. Said now I am more of money and money and money. Said about some and other guys. Yeah. Those days no Christo who know how from mass or the pageant Juma Nakos. So they didn't care if either you give them money to come and perform in church or not. Willingly offer no bar.
Money be
praise the Lord. And then now say that has become business. Say the panel offer the what's about to say 10,000 Ghana. Also not a bagina man no more to half a crown. But knowing of some of these people, no, then say yes, I'm not here. Then yes, as ever Nimuyana, I so attracted say, and I said they are quite business because they don't see this bill. And then don't see the better than a studio recorded based on performance. There should be answer. Sign, but said the Ubusa question said, into a sign, it will need be a second house. Okay, never as a sign, I took a Japan. At least also 140 something houses,
yeah.
So he just moved to new house.
We are granted.
Exactly. And I saw when also but not will be here. But you ask yourself all this question. Simon Crow said, I know someone and you know no more find the business set giddy sir. They just did it out of the passion and the love for God.
And today brother Samedi now but that's we
are two brothers Samedi that because he changes cars every day. Each day.
I was coming to that. Say,
yes.
Rent a car, no crowd.
Those days they won't do it. Those days gospel artists are. I'm a good Christian. I'm a man. They won't do that. And I'm not and then also a very business. And I better say how you brand yourself. Now branding also goes to cars. Branding goes to what you wear. Instead of now can manage what you wear. It's all part of branding now. And don't forget those near 2 cities and near 2 cities. Don't forget those times now. I'm going to producer no to right of the city.
Yeah.
No job can apply. It's all this baby also wildlife. So we would ask ourselves, that I don't know why now I don't know for sure.
Yeah.
What happened to all those little Sammy, Yana semi previous no they can't so Yana could be Susu Medicaso. But we am say the name Etienne send them young about Quenya. Near Bojo so now free say and Koya. Do more than so more properties down. Okay, because me sure says so 2 or 3 hours. Can you cry interview grant? I'm telling for a fact. Call 2 or 3 hours. And we are to now. I'm not sure so we can interview. Or better than I said the afternoon or come one. But they say young did to work and for one. It's the advice to all of us.
Your home TV is not interested.
Oh no, what's that also? The perception in Africa, in Ghana, in the world is that if you have a car, you are wealthy. That is one of Ghanaians.
A car so is nothing.
Oh, but you are saying nothing. Somebody wants to say the Bible percent. Somebody wants you, and putting out on your job money.
Yeah.
Somebody wants you that. I don't answer. You're on TV. You're on radio. You're listening everywhere. People judge by seeing. And when they see these things, they judge you. So that is the country we are living. That is a fact. That is why people give they attack. That is why we are discussing Stella today. Because they will go out on those who do not scabby celebrities.
No. Se bibi cost one a bread bomber. Now a better baby at Tonansa. Because you can a biana a 2 Bernard Nyako or Yare. But overcome be a who be a sin. Hey, me can't me a celebrity be around for a bedroom song. I don't think the be higher anything.
The life we've portrayed. Am I as a factor? Say, Ukase bin Kohankai. Ukonam can say, you're okay. Now you're okay. Now, Ukoyaka Krebia was a Mepiscama. No, we over exaggerate. That's how I didn't move yet. It's not in the reality. No,
okay, young fancy. Topic radio, my friend say, Mamma, you don't come once. The second topic, and I can't once. So second topic can I say, I have stopped smoking weed to focus on my drug education. Ras nene, ena or cancer se me. Kumawood or say no. Wajai weed no. Ejai smoking na or campaigning against omonum weed and I say drug addict no or campaigning against it. Yanko ras nene emra yeba yebehwe se ene beka sa ofon so na abeda bon so achi
TV aba amansane yena yebiem.
Hi, my name is Safina Harum. Keep watching Kumawood TV. Kumawood TV, yeah there.
TV aba amansane yena yebiem. Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yebiem. Sini papa be na upe biasha amansane winyano baby ya. Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu. Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu.
Yo, Osekrom, it's like that, and it has to be that. Uchimu TV, edito television biya no wan hwe Kumawood TV dia. Ojo wa ha Chimu to ope good entertainment. And I said ya be mo ani age a masa. Mimi tiwe be hwe ba bia Kumawood TV. It's like that, and it has to be that. Pressure free chiwa. But we didn't pressure.
Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu. Kumawood TV aba amansane.
Okay, ya sanso mama kwa babio ras nene ne yakote ne nka no oni kokuma no interview na ko kan say we dey say dey waja to ho na enam say producer baako a oye movie director edine bass ni mu man ba start say oye sini no a change no nyema bebre ama say we are na ko nom ton was say enam gospel musicians be so and a man started so no we yanko ahoma so na yene ras nene eni komo ras good morning.
Yes sir.
Good morning.
Morning minya
na mbom te say
yesu abemawade abemwe tase
ye da nyanko paase manya ne te say onasi kwa akwa so pa wo location
wo be no dey
yan pa o time kakra bi this week I'm the story about Udia be pim say what Jerry no amba.
So Udia be pim say yes my Jerry no.
Aye.
Oh what dey a check for my Jerry smoking be.
What Jerry check?
Be smoking.
Okay. Yeah a kwan be na fa so a ukoto we no mu. Ana say obey drug addict.
You mean na chia obi bia okay e chia o tie bo Kumawood sumra na mi chia o research ya from Dakus obi o bia de chia nta e chia movie kan so nyina mi na da se o bi se me sa se me na we remember some bit of fantasy bi ama e chi for ya do for so e you can say, I'm a young boy.
Okay.
Young boy, which month of West Street life. Said your son said, Again, my own man said, me, I'm not judge. And I am the money be equal. Meanwhile, the picking of your master so. Either say, I'm picking up on 4 and I do a cool. And I say, either say, Shimano me and I don't know a cool. Because you see the
Metiopa.
To be so we are wrong boy and business. No damage me do me hungry Sarah. Yeah.
Okay. Osha Okomu for how long?
Oh, they started there and it's been 12, 10, 11 years.
Wow. Wow. Now maybe as I said Your George, your other year, and also can't read no. Now, and on your account one.
Maybe George to be now the channel go because sometimes the George to no someone we are choosing no smoking. And no smoking now actually do me no yet by no glass in yet. No one. So I told you one.
Okay. Now, on say read na nkasa no. Yeah. Yes say go bidum patch say drew enema bebre na wo de na hu ya ho say enye amawajai.
Minti na nkasa enye. Me dia na me papa ifufu ene la su ene nam. Sebi so se bi nya do ni bo a to adwuma a wo pe ida so to mutuo anase wo pa betie. Ebi a me ko dia betie a no bodam. Ebi a so be tu floor na wo ya fun aye wo ya enje wo ni pa be dro bia ne me ka bia. Eno bia ne di motor system na e wo ni. Obi e positive. Obi e o positive. The macho de me what I say. Okay. It's really pan over if you say I did me and I did read that because you show only around it. You want your mouth. What you want a day. Okay.
They be so way because of say Martin say what they see when this was say who per se what campaigning against drug addicts no. And I'm person who say then one woman enye into a person company against it.
One who says that it will be over Krabuvan be able to papa. And then you will over or 2 minutes the college echo one hard work. You will do also a study or kill the fire myself. It is a really a papa or number of you funny and you want to papa. Some began to hang over your work. And if they do what we would. But don't tell once a bonnet. But you wish you had the other tell once a bonnet. Young Africa, so the teachers had their own and a man in the park of Boporo and many park of listening. Me true dear. The number then I'm about a new year. A true young my door. Me do a class but when people say I take it in so we say often you fast up a habas is here may fast a day what you say it mean that you are not listening to no okay it said a woman man here and I feel to see too it tell me give no a higher woman no ya higher one the patron team
yeah me too
a higher one so it is a better Harawa and a net most to get to call Maggie Bruno and then read no more of my search but okay and say kind of
what one be that?
Yeah, my take it that.
Okay.
Okay, and say kind of Ghana from the reading and say but okay.
Okay.
Okay, say that meaning a school for Kola. Okay, okay, over quality. So, okay, I'm going to be there. I pass. When you be a work, I will call mistake, good set. Okay, I'm an eye about us.
Okay.
It is time, maybe block okay more than food. But we can ever maybe a old community. And say, some years to be free source, then came free source, and the catches are above the Chichua. What you say? And to say, maybe a man planning for my auntie Yamama Soya said, no one planning cocaine. Because the school for Kolania, that's in order. But cocaine base, not cocaine base, who are one other came up with them. We will be paid you now, Rastamine official team YouTube. The interview was so good, but you're so rare. Or preach okay, and now I'm not where I did a cotton, and now I'm done junkie. Wow. On the base, or tell me, even in Maho, the interview,
Okay.
Yeah, and then we need to come on between the studio man for recording and things but a two brass as uncle for the camera room. Open nani jin ko mo 1 2 3 na ga ba ba so obe free ba wa ma na e ko akobe room she ga na ha e se ho toye ni ko ko ni tua e won ko so bi wa ya tu o mo ntwe yin shi wo mo mata ye ho na ni ma na o mo ye ni ni o ni obo ye wo ko ko na ma ni ska o de ton to free chewing down our traffic e mo wo tai o ti ni traffic a day 50 cents. But in this guy, we need you.
Ras.
But now when you may be said, okay, you better be the Nipana or say you.
Ras.
Yeah.
Okay, time into no. Yeah, to say campaign what started. Now what started? I ain't fan and now oko. One I'm joint one we base ne baby almost sheshiana na.
Me call baby anya baby me consono. You go wa na ni di movie ho it me di kan di movie sem ko na me na kasa hwebra me kan sem bi di atwato
okay
we need me 3 million anasa obi sia me boy bi sia me so senior man no one real na yem kwaswe please oh there be o ni yo was me show movie na ni so ye o so da ni ye o se eni me so me jai
wow
so ye bi adwuma also when you do and now you do my magazine since we have an orchestra.
Okay. Okay.
So a do bra and you campaign gidi.
Okay.
Then go on to me and with that no car.
Alright.
Michelle now a ghetto boy, I mean so a ghetto boy.
Okay.
Let me know what my chin bell. Let me know team combo. But because you be a ghetto boy or a bonsoir. Or say Abuano was sorry as you one cassa solid. So what is solid as one cassa solid me so it's a freeway or the better so other dear now are collected to see no yes I knew many actually one of that just a kind of true at the end so but a true price a cassa uncle for a cassa the female police for who leave for the cocaine for star driver pass and go but a true price a dear crop
okay
I'm
okay
and we must see a cassa
okay Ras nene you better the pass only have to drink or say yeah better as next week you don't have a studio now you know what to more year yes support to campaign now oh yeah
yeah I'm a branch of the master people cross Yanchia will be your ability so Facebook
okay
Rasnene why are there work into match into the campaign now Jumadi na Odina Utumu say Bibi away be and or try say more situation and almost active obey yourself for the free now I dear back one and Yajipa or Rasnene some kind first of all Obia Obeti caption India Sarah's name is so very no cassette we be car of what is really happening there. Now Obama will tea in Savannah and I bet you what can see was it okay pan essay baby okay pan essay now Saka we no man no I sign that's one man no I do now no we now no I do and no confirm mums be because you know on the panel man no I do you know be go pharmacy akọ no man I do we mo go bi ya
na bi na say basa aso a kontimi nya aduma
na because I no bi o ya so ba dey aduma ko no so mo me da o me dey ko aduma
na say adro so ba no dra they prescribe mo
yes na catching no madura any kwa so one and I know that which is very good ti ma ka se mi jo we ekio glaucoma more hypertension.
It's almost we no, when you know glaucoma.
Yeah, be a bit on more can you go almost share. They don't even know the type of weed we are buying. I have buying your Obani or Bema. It's almost Obama. How do they know? It's your way to say, of course, if I want to, definitely, if I want to do something, I have to know much about it. Now, we want to call you. It's said that as many can what can some year but the first someone authority said that we go for farmers we border can't come but I can't for more Ghana
If I was a real phone, can you tell me?
Now, sir, they say Ghana want me call hospital and say, doctor, me, mamma, and I'm going to
say, I'm not going to say Ghana, you will Hem Association of Ghana. Ghana, no, they say the parliamentarians, I get to more Ghana and say, who bet my real food, who bet me, I export, but they will go through a certain criteria. When you say, and I Ghana, if you one year, so Bible cry, you must need 200 years. But I Ghana for 300 years, never for being a good. Hospital cry, 9 doors to Cassisa. Time I had enough for not here for not, or Sayaro, Evans man, for not, Nayara Sabia. It's a second and a good day, and Ramadan, no man. It wasn't like that. Senamia, Domina, Yaji, parliamentarians, and the bandits now we are to Muna, or my tip board, and the Kaka crown. The Bible, a muye because only Holland for more legalizing can be a different type of week. Who check what is happening to you and who can get all the type of Tampia over. Definitely they can give you. They will be American, your black Buddha. You will know a deeper baby. I mean, what you ate. And to over suppose that I buy legalizing in Tampia. Yes, of course. They are doing what they are doing. Could be the paracetamol in the aircon. And Tampia, we are going to be a band of medicinal papers. Our farm on here. We oil, but it's what this is right. Oil, Kakrakani, or very quick it was in. So, what are you talking about? Aliens are not here. You put much into it, then research because you are not broken or go and say you're broken here. What do you say? I support it 100%. Okay, well, I'll share where you come over the entertainment show. You will say read, and now they can read, and tampe, Rasnen say, on the open say, and yet into a campaign against it, and then cocaine. So campaign against cocaine more. But we know us some more kind. What's it? What's stopping? What's from here? We don't feel about. I don't know. Topic we yes, I be alone. Say, topic could be a babiana. They are shut down and I one-sided. No, any one-sided. And before we go me and penny for my no more problem because no machine. They will be about Tabaka. Maybe about Tabaka. Said therefore more than. I don't know why it's that one is not fact. You don't have that. You don't have that. You these are things that happen in the world. Alright, yeah, twaso. Me back so. But Tesla no and that screen is soon. Obetimi do adventure ba. Say we legalizing and I say yen stop mo bia no bi meanwhile now e se o mo e becho ebi na ko she osofo ehu a ya chini enti o setup you very careful unti matranga say setup no you know me pacho asem no wo court me pacho no but so you don't to me no nya out some that be of course. So I say alert. You quote it by alert. Me say yes. Okay. You quote it by alert. Alert. No yes. Make a statement. Me say yes. And the matter now also the okay say and so yes. So same alert. That's so the same thing. And people also saying it. They are men not and Amaka and the men who. The partner in the kuta say we now know say. And to say a video that I show you. A video no matter. Our pen or watch it. Maybe the video will be a chance. It depends on what you want to portray.
The man involved, sorry to Martin.
I
agree. The man involved, Nasima Yakano, on that time, because of my plant is adding that.
What is it?
You won't talk.
Never said, video, no. Never had any good time now. I said, you know what? It is it's your turn around here. I did change room. We are Kumawood entertainment show. We did someone. Kwabena Dako, aka Sam Dakus. But on Tesla no egu so what do we do to bet me back na ya kenkan e the amount 0543 596070 0243 596070 bet me the agent back na ya kenkan e the amount Frank I feel na me ba so e wo ras nene issue no enye so for the issue patcho
Oh no, I'm not interested in.
Say, and they would say we.
I don't even have interest in the
sufficient.
I don't even have interest in that. I will just try to
why
make
didn't
things clear.
Just 2 minutes. Now I am called.
Where I say, I'm the one of the people who have campaigned seriously for weed to be legalized in Ghana.
And to what? Don't
don't be different. Don't add it to it.
Okay, uncle.
They say I'm one of the people I have supported the campaign for legalization for weed for one medicinal purposes and industrial use. Ocean Canada, the amount they make out of weed in the world in their income, a group they plant it, they buy from outside, from African countries, and they put much into it in medicinal. I endorse and I support that. Once a while I tried it.
And you want to be that?
Never. Let me make my point. Okay. But
once a while, what try to pay him?
Now try and work it for me. No, you can't make my point.
Can you straight?
One make my point.
What's that rabbi man with son?
Because that's what if you try, you're silly. That is what you don't want.
What try?
No, what's this? Look at this. Look at this.
Everybody 18.
You don't have anything. There are so many more pushing the weed. You don't know here. So you can't say
question and
what? One man did that. Look at this. The question you answer me. I've answered you and still don't answer. Answer yourself.
Okay, I mean too.
You see, you are wrong here. Oh yeah, you're the all and all the watching. As what did that watching?
Oh no, I don't know how church them. I don't know how church. No, because one.
That is not.
Me na control program. Say, okay, tell me say, you debate. You shit. That's why what tell me about that. One be that.
That is your perception. It's okay. Let's take yours. It one
read that.
So I refuse to answer that.
But when they say no,
but I wanted to have a lively show.
Once a while he had used to
I'm saying no, we should answer that. It's my prerogative.
Whether he using it as tea or smoking it with the fire.
What tried me that?
Yeah, we used to be there. That's all. We need to let him know.
So for me, I've endorsed always, and I still stand by that. Except for medicinal purpose, industrial use, it is good for the states. As I said, Obibanum never did that. No, Obibanum no better second, no better two. Every actions you take has its repercussions that you have to go through. Every can on this planet, many will be on no make it so he's advised to stop taking it. Some of these drugs are disease. All falls under drugs, and most of the drugs, either weed or cocaine, is part of it.
Okay.
Either weed or cocaine is in the drug. That is why only pharmaceuticals are allowed to handle cocaine. Okay. But that one said it is a pharmaceutical board that will give you the authorization to go and get it. That is why they have the power to have cocaine, so they can inculcate some, they can put some in the drug, then we take. Okay. So it's not every drug that you see that most of the drugs we take here is there's cocaine infused in it.
But we don't know.
Oh, if you don't read, how do you know?
Okay.
But most of the drugs, go and ask any doctor, he will tell you. Any pharmaceutical council, they will tell you most of it. And don't point to pharmaceutical agencies, the power to handle cocaine. So this weed Nene is talking of, most of the drugs he didn't take as if you go to hospital. Some of them is in there. Some of them is there. For medicinal purposes and for industrial purposes, I endorse it. But some of them no, there is the individual himself to choose for himself.
Okay.
It's for himself.
Okay, man, call Amanze Basso. Your take on that,
Sammy. First of all, do this. Correlate your friends here, Rasnene, and the braveness to come out to say yes, I have stopped it, and now he's campaigning against the use of marijuana and cocaine, right? You see, when he started, I can say marijuana, he has stopped. Who decided to smoke cigarette too? see, even though you're not true, cigarette smoking cigarettes is harmful to your health. Yeah. You know, besides what about marijuana or say, or no, so no man. No man, looking very dark. Obisu one man, or no man, a happen up, right? And we no sabaka chair or see, when you go to the basis now, say base now, we base now for now. Weed marijuana no, and I'm sorry, cocaine. It's one of the one that destroys the more. Yeah. But or say more, one can say weed is not part of it. Yeah. And so no identify so he is not a cocaine person. No be Sam. Or say he had tried it before. Yeah. No, so no. If that is the case, I feel say I ought to put all those things down. One thing I was saying, beside I was saying, man, can see me chill. Ubi share can so child me uncle to be also me yes how. Then the person has changed. Yeah. That is what causes impact. What we call friends impact on him. I'm on record to have said this thing, and I wouldn't want to share this thing. I have said, and I've jumped onto the other one say marijuana ought to be legalized. You see the fact that say Canada, Holland, America, name all those fine countries. These are countries around, Charlie. They have sat down over ages and years to delve through critically. May you see the word critically to see how they can legalize this hard drugs on themselves for people to buy. You don't just go walking and say, I feel like wanting to smoke, then you go there, they tell it, it doesn't work that way. Let's get this thing straight. When I jump onto that one, go to say marijuana ought to be legalized, and I say it has to be legalized. So what I said was that we try the medicinal purposes. One, again, Osha and Kwayesa and Kwadi, and could say Ikuza. It contains marijuana. I got some other one at home. I got it. It also contains marijuana. What I say? There are a lot of them. For that aspect, I feel it is good. But you see, before we are the kind of people now say they buy 1 inch now. We are always looking for another inch in addition to it to just destroy the entire process. Okay. And to remember, if we haven't sat down, well. You're paying for so I'm doing maintenance here. And the critical analysis about all of these things now. It is not what's legalizing marijuana. You're legalizing other products. It is good. But blacks, which I am part of it. You buy 1 inch beer, we are looking for an extra inch in addition to it. That's what we're wrong. Now it is destroying people here. Before I go to Kumasi, I need that. I can tell you, say the whole Ashanti region. The whole Ashanti region. Open the marijuana, SM, go to the church. Me pacho. This is what say people.
Okay, man, making a point now.
Rabbi, you see, when you were talking, there were a lot of things that you said, which me I don't want to get into it. I don't want to associate myself with it. Go on with them. Me say, I have.
It's not true. On research, when I'm to say this on record on TV. Say when I say what is the record?
Who told you? See, I said okay. And you're alleged in one seven worker. Sammy, what's your name? Or come as Sammy. Only adequate worker. Sammy, I'm saying, and that's what I'm telling you. Your money need the worker. Sammy, yes, again, no. Maybe you be a man. No.
Must I retract it to cry? No,
Okasa was a bit more. That level so Okasa. Yes, Sammy Pachu, share the same catch a frank, not something. Go on, listen. Some because you be a man now. I want to tell you, sir. My point in the man, you'll be a home, you'll be a 50 no more, I'm that type. ɛna nye de ɛna ma ɔka so ɔkɔ pacho yɛnkɔ pɛsɛ pacha de ba yɛbɛtɔ
Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu sini papa be na upe bi ahwe amansane winya no baby ya Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu
Yami wonina enye Yesu no dia mami Yami wonina yana do Morocco Setechema da bodiem emoja ridimu afusane Metwa ye ijo ama no da Kumawood yakasa diem se wanhwe Kumawood anu aho upeti papa ye Kenya miasem ye entertainment football adie bia na koso wiase bia se we Kumawood a mini tiri bia obayina fo Kumawood yakasa ye diem ya mi sha se we
Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu
Meshe meni jepa papa Kumawood ogwana na nsema ye chimato
na your program ya de bra friend na awoso shake your way
enso me papa me ko metunu soso
enti oba woso ana
okay yasanso ababio Kumawood entertainment show na and higher shit papa amafo bebede omoadwe ntraba aye text messages no na kan e de amaba na ye kono na amanziba emeki in submission na ya mananyi pese man 1 minute on fa ended the no person can have it to us.
Oh Same, what I said was me say me before me bebe Kumasi I went and work in Konongo. I radio be a friend of Virgin City Radio in a cotton radio now. Okay. It was my machines, maybe machines near the boat. Okay. I'm saying this again. Me say Asante Achina Konongo. Oko kunu ono ma. Boys, you tell kunu ono. Ade any story to kunu kai marijuana.
And here then time now.
Me patch listen. See. Me say ade any story to kunu kai marijuana.
Okay.
Me feel honum to date. If there has been any change, and I say any friends say empirical will be about it, that one I do not know. Okay. But what I know is what I am telling you. Sami, me I have never smoked, never have I taken alcohol, never have I done any of those things.
I think say what make you open.
Me patch ole. Mami. I have never Adam Fobi. I also a radio presenter. He knows that those. We all know.
Yeah.
The friend virus, right? He smokes. Yeah. I don't smoke. But we are all from in the back. Say, mankind and tell what I'm and can surround. But like I said, about 100% of your friends, we based in a contact on one no. Many ground.
Okay.
Just because I wanted to say certain things. Okay. What you say? That's why because it's a mimian. What you say?
I be bit me bua falso and I said,
"Oh, sir, me no be now. The type how you can easily convince. No, me, I'm not the type. You can convince me."
Okay, I think so. What
you say?
Your topic and then I can say, "Be can was me pa classification board." Abba, you must see on the be. She said, "And my content be any class call what TV soon the other day. Person you na fe." Yahwefo nso ehu nkyeremu a ewo mu eno ntino ye pese ye kwa ahoma no so ye wo ye bra panyini baako a wo ye movie producer na manya ntie se osan so ka members a ye yi wo mu se omumra emehwe adwumadi eso ye pese benya na ahoma so a na nka ene no atwetwe enkomo. Good morning Mr. Sokri Sapo. good morning. Yes, Ibenya Sokrisapo Ahmad. Hello, good morning, sir.
Hello.
Good morning. Socket,
hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
The Pajon Pum is saying.
Boko.
Okay, with an opinion from Kumawood TV, so Yanyanti say classification board Abema and Nema be a content viewer, you know, TV, so time you know, and then ammonia, my name be brave. Mobile Jim ready to Hosebaya, Nema Betime, Akoye, Ede Amaye, and Nona, and that ye bow, catch it, ye bedin Chimuyi, Nafe, ya chef also, and when ya coso. Now, and you be a set Oka board now, Yati, say, Omoba, Abesha Sadeno.
Mami established a debate. Honestly, it's difficult for me to hear because I hear who I say them whole intimate in the Madriana classification. What is it about? Okay. Anyway, but classification is simply about Emra, Abai, Ediabase, Yamfamo. Yet you may have buying into the Doko TV so I the show TV so and she said Yetimi a chere say a yet mountain and answer yet mountain penny for say a man quara and breathing you who say and quara at the TV. Near share a dear I was ye mo and I say yam bonsoir. That bank and you begin to take a home country. The money a Juma here and the access here and there.
Okay, and see, what in the day, and it was said, like I said, particular content, no, my, but mobile direct timer, you be, you know. Hello,
Mr. Cho, to be honest with you, the line is bad.
Wow.
I mean, but
okay, my entry on that, yes, I'm from back this year.
Oh, okay.
Alright. Yane Socrates Safo and education combo afa classification border aba yade behwe kwan be faso a ye nema bebre ye no TV so no ye be hu kwan ana time ye be yi no ametwa mo sima ba kumba ye be sa ko Socrates Safo
Kumawood TV.
Papa, Papa, Kumawood TV. Now me fan to her. I'm the two and I say yes, Kumawood TV. And near my ho, it's in I advert chrome me a cry, some ketua. To Kumawood TV, the Australia come for. Yeah.
Na I was one year de ban your program I was one year ban so you know
and there pa shake your waist no I come up obi afa no ho and obi anhwe Kumawood TV na anya sam ketuo me say yate bibi ba de shake your waist na we shake anya sam ketua no makoje me form ti mama mba je mama mi nuanum embe nyina aje said o musi wo sura no ya wo say anya grabra na ya was and no cram shame.
Okay, young man probably build their Kumawood entertainment show. So yene yebra panyin Socrates Safo na etwetwe enkomo. Hello Socrates, but what mega?
Hello, okay.
Abedi aye.
Let me I manage it and say
okay.
Every system no say
I manage my pa. Na ye bisa say say na o patch no say content and nipa no ebe yi de muntimi stop no but mo ba kire timer nipa no nyi no
exactly yeah de ne say yeah ba be kire say ubetimi yi ana untimi there bi na no timer ubetimi yi no
okay the process no ye be say won say be call say TV station bia na say obi add the content be ba board ho ama mahwe ansa na wayi ana
Well, my main church them say classification and the new thing since 1963. And no film producers ni bebree krampo betimi de ho adanse say obi ad in the film eco classification bebree na omo ya so den kakra omo bu so now say no embrana be shebukina I extended to even television stations say omo nyina so no omo niam omo yi nyina no yen classify into no some ye tie say no saa na tie before.
Okay.
Bibia obeyi with TV subia no we should classify Bibia and just the extension of TV stations. Then ubebi say DNA you be classify.
Okay.
One advert bia e bebo TV subia no or see classify. Two music video bia you be bia no and also see classify. Telenovela, skits, movies. Any bia obehu TV so bia no ni nyina no say you classify ni etimi kire time a ye beyi any time a NCC yi sa ni ma we nyina ye ade a ni nyina ka ye adwuma ne ho ebi nso be bisa say okay enti no ehon hyehye ne say ye be ma time slots a ye betimi eyi sa ni ma ni nyina ebi a ye be ma your classification 5 categories. You a universal ebeye ade ankwada nyina betimi ahwe ye wo PG ni ye near parental guidance which they say oh be hwa akwada bi be hwa si pani bi ti ho a obetimi akire near ekoso ni mu. Then we have 12 no just ankwada from 12 years going what the below 12 years I want to mean hwe. We have 15 no akwada will be from 15 years going. Then we have 18 obi awadi from 18 years going, and we have NS now not suitable for public exhibition and no mean to mean the public until winning kita ho no. Now over TV so sa categories nyina ya ye nyina no ye what time delta ye de shisha mo you me say no betimi yi throughout the day fit anopa ko si ade kye betimi yi near 12 no and another teenage from I think 9 o'clock going near 15 no ubetimi from 10 o'clock going near 18 no ubetimi from 11 o'clock going TV so
okay
and nema ye one nudity violence language any obscene things.
Okay,
these are the things we are looking out for and its degree. Ebi oha ebi obi si yeyi obi ho mu yeyi obi ho mu no what is it trying to depict? Uhwe bibi ti say dipo yes yeyi ema no fuguso but obscene na no nti saa nyema we nyina na your technicalities are dig gauge ni nyina no we say oh bia ye kwako ye friend say custom and I say traditional ritual be near the obi call ensuano ye kodware no. So me pay you the consuano no kodware no a sabi bia ye be yi ni hu nyina ye yi ni hu nyina na o kire bi say o pa ne de call ye no ye yi ni hu nyina na ye bi hwe ensuo ni mu a there is a degree dia ubetimi I expose enkire say eye obscene and I say nudity and there is a degree ubetimi twa and also bet say you are trying to expose nudity.
Okay.
Into that technicalities in there you consider and see the final classification. No.
All right. Now me busa say as a TV station, a kwamba so na mbafa omode omo content
okay. Thank you.
Mo office ana say ombende.
Okay. Classification send me a TF titini nyina no obiara de ne works eba ye office ho ana say officer na ewo ho no obiara de ne works eba ho saa na tie ene obiara de ne works eba na emu no question na obisa no na list kakra wo mu ne say wo TV station te say Kumawood TV
yeah
wo untimi for bi work e ma say yen classify ma because who pursue ye baby
okay
e ye owner of the work no and the beba.
Okay.
What am I saying?
It
is a music video. Who won't even cancel the music video? Been to the abase, yen classify no. Nyani music video, no. Say your comfort quad music video, and so comfort quad and the back. Say ye or chame kwame video, and so no, and the back near classifier manner. Your money time I date me here, and we will debate in your TV stations. No, so classification time not cut across every TV station. In the whole TV station, we need right to be a say, before we work at the Abba. What am I saying?
All right.
This and your right on it.
Okay.
But we need right in any dear yentimi because of the bar. You better say documentations a can't away. A be a telenovela been over so year. And only a betting you better share or right our or the bar. You need to send him the day checking rights, you know. Into the Becoma Copyright Office for no more to Mobasi. I am Mumpensemu. I hear all the necessary checks. No one who say yes. I deal with right near the Ama Kumawood TV.
Okay.
So many say, Omo pass it and answer me here. Near who say, who need right now and only a money. Will you be yam pass it through classification now? Emrano, extra punishment I am for now.
Okay.
The minimum punishment at the amount is 1,000 penalty units.
Wow.
1,000 penalty units, no. One is 12 CDs.
Wow.
Into 12 CDs times 1,000. Into another amount 12,000 CDs. The highest I ever amount is 10,000 penalty units. And now you go to jail for a number of years.
Wow. Wow.
Yeah, and I feel no machines now who used to be air dealing in a see a seasoning in a.
There's a map closer down the TV station.
But I say,
about the map closer down the TV station.
Oh, you close down station.
Now, the
oh, the dinner non see a close down station. And see if you're going to be a close down station.
Okay.
But yeah, and I'm who can say, and your man would be this, Jumano, would be this aboneno, young confiscated.
Now,
it's simple.
Yes, now conform music videos. Do our Maya Dada, social media, stations, if I no more. Mobile list be the Maya. Actually, say, oh, a new way, Moody, and waiting about okay, my time be but a new way, dear, one more time way. Another Jesus, Omudi Nina Bremansa.
Me pacho, Emranich, let's say. Bibia ye biano yen classify Bibia ye biano in 2 years and 20 years ago crabwa me a check your list you were maybe a ma classified now and no old classification committee no at this listening in amayen.
Okay,
and you know you check it no classified dawa and no ever pass it but yen classify it dear and no intimi
maybe say we a movie producer. Why a movie be a friend of hot folk?
Yeah.
Some movie beat the sano. Tam belly be you know.
Me pacho, you see, we are saying about food. Me pacho, hot folk no. Usha, and you me woman on the bachelor time SEG. What am I saying?
At the wall come board in we. Over some move type be sano. It be the time.
But I say,
but say, who come be our mind to me. That type of movie be sano. What should I be time by with TV so?
And no see you check it indicators no why they be check it. What am I saying?
Okay.
Indicators and your title near the judge you and your content. Film do all the title but we should
okay.
What am I saying? In the title no near boy ceremony the akase title be say BB to say BB sex and I say hot folk. Meanwhile hot folk now cannot. It's not about sex. The folk there is a cutlery folk.
Ah, okay.
And yet, sebi, Obani Bema and the move folk. And no buffalo clamp when yes, and you can folk.
But
what am I saying?
Okay, Matuas.
And you know,
okay, my name was the American Daben, a more chance here. Now, Mama grace period be, and I'm woman noticed all the TV stations is a free time we economy. Obianya and never say, I mean, measures be our answer.
Me pacho, Emra we share ye pass year 2016. 2016.
Okay.
Na Emra we awo for about 20 years ni President Kufuor ebe pass year. Only say a drew time our babe sign no as the president no ɛna ebinom kɔ petition yɛ nti ɔsan de kɔ parliament back ɛno ɛna the delay no until 2016 yɛ pass yɛ finally nti na nye new thing ɛna since 2016 no obiara wɔ adwuma yi mu biara ayɛ sɛ wotwa sini anaasɛ woyɛ tv station anaasɛ biribi you are supposed to know because adwuma no a wɔyɛ ne ho mmara no nti saa mmara no wonnim a ɛno no ɛmfa sɛbi ɔmpɛn bi asɛm mfa ma nkyɛ me ɛno no ɛmfa me ho because wokɔka kaa anaasɛ wokɔtɔ kaa ɛsɛ wohu kaa ho mmara ɛno no obi ankyerɛ wo na ɛsɛ wokɔkɔpɛ hu but ɛno nyinaa akyi no yɛde ato nkyɛn ɛna yɛahyɛ sɛ from 15 June yɛ a ɛɛbɛ yi
the next week
yes yes obia ɔwɔ adwuma biara no fabra yɛbie office ɛwɔ Accra tourism information center attic ɛwɔ opposite Afrikiko Jubilee House nkyɛn hɔ a office bi wɔ hɔ obia ɔwɔ adwuma biara no fabra from 15 June yɛbɛbi ho dwuma ma wo na emu no from 1st July deɛ na TV stations no so almost started display classification no ɛwɔ on screen so.
Okay. Yeah. Now my last question more plans bi say mo benya offices all the region because now no TV stations no is almost all the regions more plans bi say mo benya offices because any time bia na betimi aka say your bank cry.
Okay. Me pacho send question now this and no kwanso ano no ye wo plans say ye babe be offices one northern sector any middle belt no ye be ba ko ho any southern sector no no ne ye BCC no into no as time goes on then chakra we will open offices in the these three belts for starters and sania ya tuebuase akọ regional centers in so.
Okay, yeah, that's a part. Now, obi be classify na ya obetua bibi ana.
Me pa try nhihye ketewa bi wo, nhihye kakra bi wo. Because omo be classify no. Omo so no at least see you omoka. There are man hours something better say a classify. Classification has never been free in Ghana.
Okay.
Since Adam 1963 I started here, ni nyina no utua huska. Education is never free.
Mr. Sokresapo, na scan saying, and I just obey.
Oh, me pacho, no, you're better to enchekra from by next week and Sunday 15, you're better to go.
Yeah, but that's the pass, Kumawood, you're 2 years after now, so what years?
No, Miss Medamasi pass, Mamma.
All right. Your name is Sokresapo, or your movie producer, and as I say so, or your member, a classification board, no. Watch it and some be not just say, yeah, I'm sure you are from next month. You call no, yeah, home, and then your man, you are engine or TV. So it's one way now, oh, Pesane, Manamana, when you show say, when you be Asher. Name or Jentre, the moon here, for Jentre Bra. Say, Emraya Abbey, a boy, and I say, Moy, Rabido. Quick one on the Sokresapo issue in Africa.
So great. Our church, we some questions. Why are they for taking the time to at least my own
yeah.
Now, the members in the order than one of the laws are not any man.
There's not, I think, some friend censorship board. Yeah.
Oh,
many movies will be made a mama classified.
So how come I do so? I'm quite to my entry. So no name on because we said will be a local contract that was so with my message of video Libya. But now no because the TV stations need that we nude music videos and all that. And I have videos I go through.
And now I can say mama time up to July 15th no must start it. Registration, but 1st July no be taking effect.
But the whole package now to say I give you a web and now more restricted now education wise a web because people more but first no you know who's a PG is a man was but say in time with you Some of the bar, we are very sure say Bebuama, sanity kakra, but I give up how still announce social media. It means that I'm control. It's almost one time, you know.
Because everything was social media.
Of course, it's supposed to be waiting in area, you know. Not social media now. But you will be so a man make sure say content you are who Facebook right now they want to make sure.
Yeah.
Try say spend your more
Frank, decision especially sharing content providers.
It's a little bit dicey. Yeah, a good thing, but M1. Looking at for instance, share TV stations are hold content providers are hold going to Accra for them to. That is it's a whole lot of celebrities a fucking job. As I mean, I'm going to make no.
Yeah.
Individual content will be all up to airtime. I'm going to airtime on TV. You're the first Kumawood format of my airtime more content and they have to come to them. They have to classify then before they will come and show. It's going to be a tuning. Of course, I'm saying now, manager will say, are they going to get offices in other regions? Which is supposed to even come before even this date. I'm telling you the truth because
of what Tamale TV station.
He has to move to Accra.
No movement in the day.
And they should do that before even this day. I know some of you, as I'm going to find that. Talk to them. When I said I don't go there, I don't permit that to be good. But now I'm be waiting.
Now enforcement not
because somebody in Boga have to come with all his specs. And I don't forget say, I'm going to me and classifying in a day for you. Because probably I know you have to go through it too. That's some share content, you know. But one share content now, who have to place him there, and you know the man. Organogram not the man because of the NS and what it will work. Oh, it's a good thing. But I celebrate Amojumano and Quesinino. They should give themselves more time. More family.
Education
they should give more and the education service is even low. And then who might be a quenya about now what friend on what chips yet now.
Obiante, one person making sure of my say at least also be
it's wrong. It is wrong. You see, that is what people don't get. You knowing does not mean everyone should know. Maybe. I want to grab one of the person be you. And to him who to share one. If you got also if you know can be a chance and can go in so. You see, let us be real and be genuine on some of this. A very good thing because our TV is spoiled. Where they go for you because of some person motion. Now almost next got to treat your Okanoma. They have to show anything for people to watch. But the fact of the reality is that with a short time, go 15 and 1st July. Oh my God.
To be frank, my name say 15.
Okay. So if we don't talk, they are doing a good job. We beg. Say no, where the almost answering because education will form. Most people do not know even this date. I'm a content provider. I provide content. I don't even know.
Okay.
I don't even know.
Yeah.
Because
I'm as a
so they should work on it.
And your time no you be here. We will say hi. Good morning. I'm Abbas from Afinso. High support to Rastanene because we need weed is not good. Okay. And also dear or dear banana. We say so I say hi. Weed must stop from Ghana so that we can get future leaders. Okay, I think that means really few future
leaders. Remind them say government are legalizing for industrial and medicinal issue.
Yeah.
It is illegal. Stop.
No. Okay. Now they just know what.
You have to educate them. Let them know. It's important.
Or say smoking no.
Oh,
smoking.
No, they are different.
Okay. Nature no. And then no one no. And they say most of nothing. I'm fine. Well, say, hi, I need, okay, I'm Sandra from Ahafobie. Pray me the son of, okay, I think this one is, okay. I'm sure we will say, hi, good morning, Ras Nene, God bless you. God bless you. Please, we is not good, I swear. So everybody, please leave it. Please, Ras Nene, please, hey, please, let us try and come TM. Okay. I say on the way sure pass it we need it. I'm so I try when I'm one. The laws and the will help. Okay. LI will help, but how can movie producers get the laws so to know how to comply with it? Anyway, on also there for the abba and no. I mean, quite man's so quick one. Nothing. When the share suffer issue, suffer by issue.
But being Katabana, but it's nice. Yabesanya said they ask what do you call it? Classifier. We also have another additional to food and drug board. Then almost and
now say Kibisa, but
I don't know. What question?
Every year is different.
My son,
I said a crown, say every day the woman say approval. No one time one. Fabono. I know who it's not Oko now for classification now. They also give you a logo or something like that. So I'm so classified now. That can win one. I think that is what I want to know. I don't know. Okay. I'm back quickly.
Sameh, I'm happy to say this discussion is coming up. That means all along, a friend's censorship board. Now I want to make function properly. One, because when you have a censorship board now, ought to cut across original basis.
Yeah.
The decentralization that's where it has to start from. That's imagine say be our product now per se or they call censorship board. Now and as a movie now they call censorship board now it's only in Accra. Imagine the bureaucracy that will happen in the key. The long line. The man will come monopoly no will always come in no. The man a man for be super no. These are some of the things. So, say, offices like Frank said earlier on, so offices across the regions now, it will ease the pressure. Every man will be bypass the issue, no. Well, and when him say no more when the Golo boys will also bring Golo boys in.
Yeah, of course.
What you say? You will bring Golo boys in.
It also increase primary corruption.
When him, obi bet to me up on Frank Koho. But obenya on water green be no pen for the behavior you never too so I catch you say yakop classification board I be because one or check the bureaucracy in there now Charlie it will take time and years anything I must censorship board now I want to function properly Sameh again me na me for say before I'm commercial sale see even regional offices. Regional office. Now you are about 16 regions. So you let's even do 10 first. And now let's even do 5. The major areas. Accra, Kumasi, Takoradi, Eastern region, and probably Northern region. These are places now. Sanoman if you bapa. What I say? Until down, let's set up offices there. A bit make it up for the other regions. Can't no more pressure. Who's the pressure? No, and see the in this show. Okay. As compared to Kumasi, Accra, Western region, so that it will ease the pressure a little bit. But without any of these things, let's suppose we want to be here. Me imagine now when you take one to the David box, Charlie, the TV stations in there. And here is the crowd. A bit free in there. Or channel for Fabric. How do they do all of these things? Within that short time, me first, I urge them say they should look at it critically. No one check wow. And some may man then made and be dancing some maybe no. You be critic system no. You critic system maybe and then we realize the system is no longer working. After no one a month for be on said you. Only do my own no. Then the person will be paid through the state coffers. That is me my problem. As I can home. Okay, let me get no papa. Kumasi and Choba Quarter Center. Yeah. Quarter Center. Charlie, there are a lot of offices there. Music offices will be on. Make just a TV one. As it then you have what we call regional heads. Regional heads are how they do that. Yeah, because Abibia person should be suffer. Abibia person should be suffer. David don't tomo. Omukwana be going to be powerful. Abibia want to make a one way thing. We want just these people to be powerful. What you say? But when they are working hand in hand with every regional rep, or regional head, or regional head, or now on pay. Opposite obey who's on who are the most powerful person now. Or back to some cinema program. It's not a person besides saying, let's even take it as you say, so baby. Program it Kumawood in Paso, and I say, don't come on Kumawood. That many will say, one session, one is all share. That one, a group pigeon is so pigeon and a group pigeon is so. And now I wanted you to ask him, but you see, Socket was so smart and sharp, say, oh, who be son about hot fork, he was able to tell you so that it's the fork we used to eat. But on my end, say that fork, no mama fork or movie. Good. Oh, created that impression. But when you go and watch the movie too now, there's nothing like a fork in. A fork in it's not in. It is the other way around now. That was what is in. But see, because it is him, it's no. You see how he explained the things to you and the viewers to feel say yes, he's in quote. And the truth. A friend say, Murphy, baby, I'll be a child. I'm say, program no, and easy. So to me, chat time now, man, to me, and then between me, team and time now, so I'm at your videos. I was say, Kayabo, you were, your papa Duncan Williams, the Bayer, no, some baby, and we can discuss without, yeah, when the shades were walking out from the studio, and your papa Kennedy. And now make a statement be said, sir, so for Najageza, we are part of the occult. There be girl we Ebony. Or make a statement, number say entertainment you get can once. I don't couple the only but now no, you're fine and but yeah, corner when the shade, the no cacre be my pa, near can once and cacana be phone now. Also do I think
who be to know how to control. The Kumawood TV there, me phone in Niagara.
Oh, fine. That's a fine. You heard him so be money and munina. Oh, my name shut them on Kwan you. Oh, there be a bad answer them. I was so Pia one thing. It's Kumawood TV. Yeah. Hey, you say Baba signing have a Toby spa. Now, ma'am, what's Kumawood nka?
Martinenka.
Dear Benna,
okay, Martinenka na mention na afia na say maybe ese meshepa.
Sir, na ma'am ye the program bi aba woso. Awoso shake body waste no. On sisi yare na say abeba ni nyina no. Program ne betu sa yare ni nyina. Na wo hu ni so be ma aba bi aba na.
Me yakwa me amaye bi.
Sir, me na woso kakra ne enhwe.
Kumawood TV ya die mu.
Ye das. Ma'am Kumawood so na we na. What Kumawood TV nka?
Ipa chan mate. Na station ho ye kama pa. Eh.
Debe na ohu
African movies Miss Manage ho pa fi say ugodu fie ko na dwuma bi edi na woni a utimi hwa na je say o de afrema da ko na aja ho ato wadwenwe so kakra ma okay Kumawood TV die o so obi a hwe ho
na advert bi awoso watene nka na
matene nka o so obi a de ne ho kodwo Kumawood TV utimi usubi na ato ho asano kakra
ye dance pa
mi show mi TV na ho na me deto Ghanaian films no mu yi nti Kumawood TV ya ne ya die nie
na apa na wo hu awoso advert na abaso na no so dia na wo kafa ho
ekwa yie pa Kumawood di asama nso kra me baketo ano wo so ya no wo de ato ho ti ye de edura nwumre no a ne ye hwe
ye dance pa
Kumawood kra me hwe Mr. Muti me ye fom sa me ne menya ho ne ye hwe fom se me hwa na emom de ya na ye me ya de se ye mo ma ne nwa ne ye hwa because me hwe na nopa awia me tifia me hwe anwumre me hwe eti no me de fom sa ne de Ghana fom sa de me hwe papa en kan ne ye ye fe de say Jollof Razimi. I feel like yeah, Kumawood ya de mo. Enu a ne ye de yifo de ne ye hwe. Enu a be ho ya kwa anwumra, ho ne ye do to. Eti fum so de mo nya de mu yiyi no mo ma ne mo fa maye saa, no na mo fa maye. Da de say am nto mo ma no nkofom. Na de mo yi ne mu no latest mo fa maye na no na ye hwe ye be say e be hwe yifo de no first say yifo de no ye be say be hwe no. Eti ye sremo Mohema never na said the my anti na ya dwen dwa be your first salary for mo ji sika nyina. And I say am my anti be so ka tell na do say obviously come my first salary. Obviously come na say God ya hwe fom so na aja ati ya dwen dwo so kakra. Eti mo ma no e follow ye.
Yeah, that's pa. Yaba. Amansanie. Yani aye diemo. Kumawood TV. Amansanie. Yani aye diemo. Kumawood TV. Papa.
Kumawood TV na ade mani ji say Ghana moving. Mo yiri saade ababere wa menye ko duru fie na me bo nsuo na menye didi wi a.
Okay, yasam so ababio ko here when the share or walk out a free na Romeo and him. This is the second time and Romeo Kiddy Ekoy the same thing happened now so akọ. Way text message was say Nana Romeo have to apologize when the share because what he did was totally wrong. Please want to ask that if she is a celebrity, can't her maintain a personal life? This man is totally unprofessional. I'm Kobe from Bono East region. I don't think say bet makasa baby. I'm your phone na yakasa nyina so biba mu na me de no aba line so bet me frame se sia enkomo aye de nyina no wadwe nkyere a ewo ho no obetimi afre na watimi ane atwetwe enkomo 0200 603 602 603 602 o premier normal o volume no akofo na matimi na watwetwe enkomo rabido yeah, we don't know. They are not betting Makasa Afa. And I shut a well so issue. Yeah,
because of time, Romeo.
Okay.
DJ Romeo, our
Accra.
More interview when you share, the main one I can. I'm saying, now, DJ Romeo, we are sure, sir, also used to celebrities and so. They are making it because we had a trend to see the social media and how I got for social answer so now. I think so what hair so yes I have one. And we have said all year and so we taking on I bet me had a problem to see about
to say as a political
when you share bullets I think they have to come out. It's alleged. So sometimes the toast one.
No, I'm the one. Okay.
Because I don't know if she get it seems like there is a truth here. You want the girl to say, but I don't see her in a private life. But I'll be very honest, I'll be very, very happy that the girl will come out.
Hello? Hello?
Yeah, good morning.
Yeah, good morning. We didn't be offer me free.
Pardon?
We didn't be offer me free.
Maybe I say family say wa no Kumasi.
Auntie say wa komo ya di hu komo ana say nsema ya kan wa de na kan wa say.
Na say.
Wa de njire ne say.
No ya sorry ba me force na ba na ya sa that
means anya issue we na o kan wa semti. Ya we say benya ko so. Hello? Good morning. We didn't be able to free. Mr. Premier, TV volume no conform. Now, meeting no and Casa. Hello. Okay. Hello.
Yeah, good morning.
Yeah, good morning. But you didn't be able to free.
From Lord Centrum Catafia to Bodia.
Okay, Mammy, tell why.
Okay. Hello.
Me too.
Oh, okay, boss. Issue now that to Granoya when the Shane and I room you not and Penamaka.
Okay, my non call me
too. Nana room you now, I don't know. Maybe he wants to make a name in the radio presentation. The way I all told the line, it is not okay. Or it's too unprofessional. No, that as far as the Nipanier celebrity, of course, I want a private life. It is a web interview. Now, it be some question also. She doesn't want to comment in that line. Why don't you shift and then go to another thing? But if you push the things on her by force, but it shouldn't be so. It is over there. Or doing or radio work on your extra work, send there or the obini life, a personal life, or the same cannot be a kiddie.
Okay, yeah, but that's it. And then what you try or the about for friends one man so. Hello.
Hello.
Good morning.
Morning, yeah.
Good evening, baby. Open me free.
That's your friend.
Okay, my dear, why?
Yo, maybe I can tell you something. Now, because every about and from so the life is to person that you are not and I feel when you see when I come into you see different because friend say ABR over the payment nadi so I'm not telling what one of the and your lesson.
Okay, yeah, but that's the I'm the first question the Mantini Papa. Hello? Yes, sir, but I didn't be offered me free.
Manaka will be a quick for you because I pay to part from it.
Okay, thank you.
Mamma can't tell me the kind of now you and near Orient and yet. She said, or Pasua Yan, what's that in corporate? I'm going to be professional. Now, to be all now and you're professional.
Okay.
Said you will be a kiddie. What my double and the shoe. And about the infinite
okay.
Manaka, Mama, you say, so I'm going to tell you, yeah, or Mama be answered. Or the books at the topic in fear, and man, and after the friend.
Okay, yeah, but that's the panel again. Hello? 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 I'm set on Timmy Kayi Papa, and I said, so hello? Okay, I think that young man cry, I be young fancy, and then to me, not time near Papa. My man called Frank Bishop about the shade and another relation. Just 1 minute.
Oh, the Obia I believe this is one of the things Nana Romi wants to use to hype himself.
I said, radio, what's a kid on one, but radio when the shade Nana.
Oh, so many people have ways of making up their names. Put me naked, put me so shampoo just to make his name. Those everybody is the way he wants to trend, and I believe that is the way he wants to trend. It's left to the artists on the corner. Say if they will still give him the opportunity to treat them like that or not like that, because me I know say it's hand go hand come.
Okay.
And there's professionalism in everything.
Yeah.
If you exhibit the professionalism and you do it in a very high class, you can make your name too. And yet totally should not be always be confusion. Be now they making me to me now. It doesn't hold.
But let's
okay.
Ojitum say a professional. So Nana remember.
For me, I'm looking at it from this angle. Yeah, I come forward because I say your building cancer and yet your bosses will do two at and yet it happened to Kitty. It's also happening to Wendy. You see, I said last time I was different platforms to say a man for so go obviously you should and some man for best attend you soon and room as a scapegoat on some of the things that he's doing. The way a man or pretty kid bar shown so I apologize, yes, still no, they were still pushing him to that extreme. No. People will also want to take a swipe at him and say, listen, when you come ask intelligent questions. And again, don't just make it look at it as you just want to ask any silly thing that will also answer you. When they say, you see where she's also coming from. When you check now, it's a bullet. If it's someone like bullet now, but I know bullet to walk off. If it's also coming from Wendy Shea, I'm not surprised because she's also being managed by
no, but
you see, my
a bullet.
Bullet and cover sorry. And artist so
it is our one.
There you see, say let's not countenance what we call how do you call buffoonery. What I say, man, so kwasi ase, say you kwasi ase no so. Nti na dey say e ya tre a bisa say oh we ya tre. Don't embellish it to make it look as say near. Say Socrates a fork no. Now or try to embellish it to make like fork. What I say, don't embellish it. Ask a simple question. Let's go. I believe say I'm now. I know you are a man. You are not a gay. You are a man, right? What I say for that's none of me my business. Yeah. Maybe the say I know Same. Private life is not my private life. That's not the basis on which we are discussing.
Be the audio be crab as also or concerns like so many scars in this ordinary performance.
And make us say, see, when it happens so now, people will dig into you and find out things that you've done in the past, where you even came from, and they will also make sure say you put it out there to tarnish your image. Right, but yemma in all of these things, yemma what we call the professionalism aspect in it, you know. Exhibit and trample over there.
The same issue na Shatawale say Nana Romeo pa on Manametra no be 77 do the bayano.
I want to some I don't know Emma of Fuba. Now Shatawale na I quite say me quite a interview me and I be say I'm a Bo Crow studio. That is what Shatawale say. But there is karma in everything that you do. I can be a you when you have replication. But the minimum is Shatta Air try to trend in every news in Ghana, especially when it comes to entertainment. About trying to happen. One said Shatta is saying
producer somewhere 2 minutes.
Shatta is saying militants say what's your only militants right? Shatta now one so militants but was sad there or say Obiama radio so and now Obiama for camera crime live on Facebook. I can be about this message. And so sometimes we people must have wow. The Shatta one careful because when we go to Canada, Cowboys never been a jail. Or Jamaica, or never been a jail. When you careful. I know one video. No, before when you video, that is a video. Is it evidence? You said no, evidence is right, but that video.
The name of the game is evidence.
Okay, ready up. At least, yeah, wrap up. There's some number.
Mention my banana and indicated. Me and I had assassin. Mention I indicated. I'm in charge. I was the old Judala. Yeah, fool one was so good Judala.
A fool no pacho read room. What
you have beetroots and broccoli, peas, a lot of things. You have a cabrone. I say, on my way, superfood.
I say, it's media until you come to the
certificate. You're something. So, I certificate in India. Nobody, Mama. Kakana, your certificate now, but mention Obibia or Rapido TV, so Facebook, Madofonia, Nakeke, GH, Michelle, not mention a 2 for Banana Boots or Heba Michelle and Arafat. Obibia or Rapido TV.
Mention Pepe, also Pepe Smith, Enoch, and more and more for your basso. That's a water and my body. Oh, yes, so the team and we ball about so also to me hold on to the and then no con but what you have to say and I was up with that time come now box and there's Utia but I stand with Duncan Williams. I stand with him. I stand with him. I stand with him. I'm also a story enough and I cook next week will be I stand with him because pedigree I was building repetition was building I saw for what it's more that with the girls more is to now more reverend who see what big time pastors now he's going through this I stand with him.
All right,
Amen. Maminchia, Honorable Nilante Vandapo. I couldn't open a mingle and then I would within the birthday and then to open if I know you may have happy birthday. Ibezi, no bad job if I know you. Same, you know, Maminchia, me friends, me 2 boys. All I am Smith and friends Sean Smith. And Minchia, Hokini and Tiama Papa. Chiano.
Okay,
you will be a Michubi. I know you will share.
Yeah, but that must say, but you're from by my Jumadate, a course of Kama Manziba and Focus Frank 29 and Rabido Focus 29 August and Focus media.
Let me ask you to Focus once.
Yeah, next week, you're back, you're better so. You better on one boy in us, and never to be Mama boy piano. The weather when you must be at the summer, Cabana Dark. metia me yere anyame adom ode ababako abekan bosuan
se o man is in five
me enhira mu nyina makram
efie de no abonte de eso ele
ato adwenje so kakra ma okay Kumawood TV die o so obi a hwe ho
na advert bi awoso watene nka na
matene nka o so obi a de ne ho kodwo Kumawood TV utimi usubi na ato ho asano kakra
ye da so pa
mi so mi TV na ho na me de to Ghanaian films no mo yi ni nti Kumawood TV yania ye die nie
na apa na wohu awoso advert na abaso na no so de na wo kafa ho
ekwa yie pa Kumawood di asama nso kra me baketo no wo so ya no wo de ato ho ti ye de edura nwumre no a ne ye hwe
ye da so pa
Kumawood kra me hwe Mesi muti me ye fom sa me ne me menya ho ne ye hwe fom se me hwa na emom de ya na ye me ya de se ye mo ma ne nwa ne ye hwa because me hwe na nopa awia me tifia me hwe anwumre me hwe eti no me de fom sa ne de Ghana fom sa de me hwe papa en kan ne ye fe de say Jollof for Razzie. I'm like, oh,